What's going on, everybody? It's your boy J Coop, and today, does the Colorsty brand have the best dress shoe on the market? Let's get into it. Okay guys, now we all love a crisp dress shoe, and sometimes that can be a hard thing to find. But I was just relaxing one day, scrolling through Instagram, and I get a DM from the brand Colorsty. I've never heard of this brand, but I checked out their shoes and I was thoroughly impressed. Let me give you a little bit of backdrop on why I like their shoes so much. To me, the greatest TV series of all time was The Wire. But my second favorite TV series was Boardwalk Empire. It was based in Atlantic City in the 1920s, and the flyest character in TV series history is Nookie Thompson. That boy was cold-blooded with the suits, with the coats, and with the shoes. When I saw the Colorsty dress shoes, it gave me that Nookie Thompson vibe that I've been looking for a long time, but at a great price. I have yet to open the shoes up, but that's what we're here to do today. The shoes are handmade, handcrafted in China. The shoes took 1 week to get to the USA. That's not bad at all. You can tell that the Colorsty brand is trying to bridge the gap between casual and a little over the edge. It's right in the middle, and it looks super fresh and super clean. When you wear shoes like these, you're not gonna blend into the crowd too much, and that's what I particularly love to do. All right guys, we said enough. Let's get into these dress shoes. Okay guys, so from first glance, this box is pretty heavy, man. This feels like a couple pounds actually. Remember, the shoes are handcrafted, and dress shoes tend to be a little heavier than your athletic shoes. All right, man, let's break into it. When opening packages, always safety first, people. It feels like Christmas every time I'm opening up a box. I love it. Now, as you can see, it looks like a navy blue box with that Colorsty logo right on the front. On the tag, you see it says size 44. That is a men's size 10 in US shoe size. We also have the Colorsty logo on each ends of the box. All right, guys, drum roll, please. Okay, packaging is key, guys. As soon as I opened it up, I see quality and I smell quality. They smell amazing. That's when the handcrafted part comes in. On the inside of the box, it says unique design, amazing quality, and the best prices. And it also came with this nice Colorsty card with the returns and exchange info on the back. So the shoes come individually bagged in their own dust bag with the Colorsty logo on it. Good job, Colorsty. Good job. And guys, you even get a shoehorn with the shoes. That's very important with dress shoes because sometimes they're a little difficult to get on. This is a great touch right here. All right, guys, let's see what they're looking like. Ooh, nice. These are icy, man. This is the perfect look that I'm going for when it comes to a dress shoe. I went with the Villanova colors with the white, baby blue, and navy blue. These things are crazy, man. Let me give you a closer look on the Colorsty dress shoes. Okay guys, let's get in depth on the Colorsty dress shoe. You see we have the all white leather upper, super clean, super fresh. Then we have the baby blue and leather underneath, very clean, people. Then we have the navy blue wrapping around the front of the shoe and on the back of the heel. And we have those navy blue laces, perfect contrast, people. Now on the bottom we have the rubber heel, but it has a wood look to it. It has a very good touch and feel to it, guys. On the insole we have that Colorsty in gold on the tan insole. We have the black bottom with the tan in the middle with the Colorsty emblem. All in all, for the Colorsty dress shoes, these are completely fresh, man. And with all the colors that you can choose, you can't go wrong. So I had to give these things a perfect 10 out of 10. And guys, I typically wear a 10.5 in athletic shoes, but I picked these up in a size 10 because you should go half a size down when getting dress shoes. And they fit perfect. Now guys, Colorsty is looking out for my Coopscorner family. When you use the promo code Coopscorner, you will get 12% off of every shoe or boot on their website. That is an amazing deal, and make sure you guys put that to use. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and make sure before you click off, hit that like button. Also, follow me on Instagram at Jackson S. Cooper. Alright guys, remember, always stay fresh and stay blessed. Until next time, peace.